See the price action in June 2022. When we look at the two RS structures, which is our current supply roof, which is already broken. So this is technical trading, and by far has provided a very high degree of accuracy in the market. Now, the resistance structure in April 2022 and another weekly close in March 2024, giving us an ascending trend line. If you clone that structure and bring it to the current low that saw a mid few move in price, and we had you know price return to create that ascending trend line. That structure was exactly at this point. You look at it, here. It's pure technical. Look at it. Bring it exactly there. It's the same. It's the same. Does this happen all the time? No, it doesn't happen all the time. It doesn't. Nothing works 100% in the financial market. At one point, they stop working. So this is why I say trading is probability. The probability that this will happen again, it's not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed. So at one point it's working, at another point it's not. And if you look here, we had a structure from here, which if you look critically, you will see we have a very beautiful break and retest at this level, a weekly close from our line charts. So that will constitute my next buy structure. That is why I'm using here. And I will also show why I'm using here should we had a fallout in price, which I don't expect that, but we must be prepared for the worst case. So in case we had an upswing, then we should be aware of a potential price movement. We have the as RS resistance become support and breakout structure, and we had here another RS. After that, we had a breakout structure followed by here, which is another perfect break and retest. There is a clean break and retest at this level, and so here we also have break and retest, and price have left. We have here break and retest. You can see price have left here. So now the next thing to do is on a weekly close, we have on that trend line, we have here a clean break and price have come here to retest it. It's pure technical, but the accuracy is high. Look at it. On that trend we have here, of course, we already have an ascending trend line, ATL. Is our ascending trend line. There are three of them, three couple ascending trend line we have. This one, this is another one, and this is the last one, and that's another supply roof because it's above price, and if it's below price, it's a demand floor. So the moment that's what it is, and below is our demand floor, and as our demand floor. So if price returns there, we expect a potential buy opportunity. And if you look here, we have a clean break and retest at that level. There is a clean break and retest here, followed by a retest. And price came back here as a final retest on the same trend angle, and a return there as a last resistance becomes support and breakout structure, and as well a retest candle to a broken structure. And you can see a breakout, a weekly breakout with a weekly long took liquidity from the roof, from the floor before a bearish drop. Very diabolical. Swing up, swing down, broke the structure, retest, finally sell down. Finally sell down. So we'll be watching it, and let's see. So now I think from what I see, my The top layer supply on a weekly time frame will be at this level. You begin to plot your sell down from this level. So if this price push into this structure, it will form an M structure. An M structure which will take away the neckline and will start to come down. This is one case scenario. This is one case scenario. I don't know if that's going to happen, but just like I say, trading is probability. It can happen and it cannot. So let's not be 100% certain of whatever we see, knowing fully well that the market reserves the right to do whatever it likes. But I'm key on this structure. So if price comes here, most likely is going to respect it as a demand floor. And I'll put into perspective why that area is likely to be an area of demand. A previous retest resistance structure, one, and a weekly candle close. As you can see it, weekly candle close one, weekly candle close buy, weekly candle close sell. We'll have here sell one, and we'll have here sell two. Break of structure, we return here as a demand floor, RTSR, RT slash SR, and we had a break of structure. Big liquidity came back. This area has not been tested, so on technical, I will be expecting a buy opportunity here in a massive drop off. So if price start coming out, here is a very good place to wait for price at the moment. Bye.